Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Jain and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the effective strategies for debugging that have worked for me. The first in the list is Occam's razor. The principle states that the simplest explanation or answer is usually correct. In this approach, I try to list down all the possible reasons why something isn't working and give weightage to each candidate. The candidate with the highest weightage is probably the best bet why something isn't working as expected. The second strategy is forward pass. In this approach, I run the application from the very first step and look at the detailed logs for each step. Logs are helpful in narrowing down the scope of the problem and can often pinpoint the exact reasons. If you have not enabled logging yet, now would be a good time. The third strategy is backtracking. Backtracking strategy works from the end of the workflow. Here I list down all the assumptions that have been made and check them if they are working or not. For example, let's say my script has a Python package Selenium that does some web automation. Selenium uses drivers that work with specific versions of your browser. If the browser version is updated, the driver may not work. Another example here would be my application is working, but there is some error with the server side. You can verify this by explicitly accessing the server. The next strategy is taking a break or switching on to a new task. We often spend some time trying to figure out why something isn't working. Our brain cells are probably overworked and are dull. Taking a break breaks the clogging and you start afresh with the problem. This has worked numerously for me. Restarting the application or the machine. Be it a computer program or a thing in life, simply restarting can make it work again. Sleeping over it. I have found that intentionally procrastinating a issue and sleeping over it has magically made me debug some issues the next day. The last strategy is get fresh pair of eyes. If you have tried everything and nothing seems to work, try to ask a colleague for help. Bringing in someone new has a fresh perspective on the problem and can address it much quickly. Similarly, asking a senior dev can also help debug the issue at hand more quickly. So these were some of the strategies that have worked for me. Be intentional in the approaches you choose and something might work for you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. See you again.